2023 Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato teases the Huracan on stilts, features roof rails, and a generous ground clearance to tackle bumpy roads. It's also hard to miss the plastic body cladding tacked onto the fenders, lending the naturally aspirated V10 a rugged look. The extra lights at the front and roof scoop make the Sterrato stand out furthermore. By the way, the concept's name will be carried over for the production model. Sterrato will follow the road-going Technica in the track-only GT3 Evo 2 and could very well be the Huracan's last model.